Welcome to another edition of In the Kitchen with Rosana. Rosana is making a special dish today. She is going to be making...
Sequilhos.
What?
Sequilhos.
Yeah,
It's a Brazilian cookie.
Okay, she's going to be making a Brazilian cookie, and she said probably shouldn't even try to pronounce it because no Americans can pronounce it anyway. So let's see. What are you doing here now? You've got two sticks of butter.
Yeah.
Right? Does it matter if it's salted or unsalted butter?
I like salted because I like to have a little salt in the. Yes. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
It really doesn't matter. I'm going to come around here and let's. Okay.
I'm gonna put three
So
egg yolks.
So eggs. Now you're putting. Whoops.
Just the egg yolk.
Just the egg yolk, not the egg whites. Okay. How many?
Because the eggs are not too big, I'm putting 3. If it's big, just 2.
Yeah. In Brazil, they have big eggs, don't they? Huh? Yeah. Brazil, they have big eggs. How often do you go to Brazil?
I don't go often much.
No?
I used to go every 2 years. Now I don't.
Now
I
you
rather
don't.
go to Europe or something.
You'd rather go to Europe?
Yeah.
Italy, right?
Italy. I love Italy.
Yeah.
I love Italy.
You and I, we need to go to Italy together and do a video. We'll go to Venice.
Oh, I love Venice. I haven't
Oh
been to
yeah,
Venice.
Venice. Okay,
Love.
so now you're putting this on, and so now you're going to put in some sugar.
First, we're gonna mix the butter, the egg yolk, and the sugar. You can put like 1 cup of sugar, but I don't like too sweet, so I'm gonna put a little less than a cup.
Okay. These are very interesting cookies. You know that?
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, there's no flour.
We're gonna use
The cornstarch.
That's it. No flour. Yeah, no.
Okay,
And
no.
so it's gluten free. That's good.
And it's gluten free, sure.
a lot of
Just a
people-
lot of sugar and butter, but other than that, I mean, you know.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Wait a minute.
You got it?
Now I got it.
Okay, the oven's preheated. Now you whip it.
Okay, yeah. And
Look at that. You know, one day I'd like to go to Brazil.
yeah, you would like it. I think you would like it.
Yeah? Have you ever been in the Amazon? No?
No.
Never been in the
Never been to
Amazon, huh?
No.
You know, the Amazon is burning right now.
I know, it's very
Now, how
sad.
much cornstarch are you putting in there?
I have over here 450 grams.
Yeah?
So I would just say it's about 400 grams. So I don't know in pounds how much.
So you weighed that before you came or
no,
something?
it's already. I would just say 1 box like this of cornstarch.
A whole box?
Yeah. So I have a little less than a box, but yeah. So and then you do a little bit at a time. Like I said, I'm not a good baker. I just
Now
do things.
watch a lot of cooking shows, right? You watch Chopped?
I like Chopped. Yeah.
Would you be good on Chopped? I mean, if you were
No,
if you were like a
No, you need to be a chef to go to Chopped.
But you know what? Now that we're doing this video and it's going on YouTube, you might become an overnight sensation. You know that? You might become an overnight sensation,
Sure.
and you're going to become a household name, Rosana,
Yeah, exactly.
right?
How to cook easy without craziness? Just put the cornstarch
Exactly.
directly from the box.
Yeah, just a whole
Add the
container of
sugar.
cornstarch. Just put the whole thing in
No,
there.
the secret is you need to look when it's I show you how it's supposed to be when you touch. You know, when you touch, it's supposed to be like be able to make like a little ball.
Right.
And if for some reason I put too much butter and I don't have enough cornstarch, we just add some flour. That's it until it got harder.
Okay. Can we put some of these in, please?
No.
Huh?
No, that's not work
Please.
like that.
No, we can't put in some.
No, you cannot. It's not.
We
Gonna
can't
work.
put in some chocolate chip.
No, you know why? Because this is cornstarch. It's
Yeah.
so breakable. It's so big. If I put this, the
Oh.
cookie is not gonna stay together.
Okay. All right.
It's a different kind of cookies.
We'll make chocolate chip cookies some other time. Right? Okay, so now you're just mixing it.
I mix. That's how it looks, see? Okay, so now I have impression that I did not have enough cornstarch because actually the bowl is not as full as should be because I had used it before. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna have to put some flour in there.
Some flour. Okay.
A little bit, not much.
Okay, I've got some flour. Here's some flour.
Okay, good.
This is fun. I'm glad I came home from my travels, you know, to make cookies with you.
Good, I'm glad. Let me see. I just wanna see. Yeah, I think it.
A little
bit of flour.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah, I did. I did wash twice.
Okay, all right. Twice. Okay, that's good. All right. Oh, goodness gracious. You like doing the videos.
I have no choice.
You have a choice.
I have no choice.
You do. Stop lying. You came, the first thing you said when you walked in is, are we going to do video?
I said it would be good. Yeah, it would be good to teach people how to cook a gluten-free cookie.
Yeah, gluten-free cookie. Absolutely. I don't think, you know,
Even if I would not want to.
I don't think that there are any videos at all on YouTube about how to make gluten-free cookies. You know, I will search. I will search later if there's any videos, but there's probably no videos on YouTube about how to make gluten-free cookies. So it was a very good idea.
Yeah, I'm sure there is few, but.
Oh, goodness gracious. Do Brazilians like spicy food?
Yes.
They do? Like Mexicans?
Look, Brazil is very big, so depends where you're coming from, Brazil. Some areas are very much into spices than others. Where I come from, we are into spicy, but for some reason my family was not much into spice, so I did not grow up eating spicy.
I see. You know, it's one of the things I like about you. You read a lot.
Yeah, I do.
You like to read. And good books, too. You're reading good books, right?
Yeah.
Self-improvement books.
Yes, I do like those. Yeah. I'm reading right now a book from Robert Greene. His fantastic bestseller, The Law of Human Nature.
The Law of Human Nature.
Amazing book.
It is.
Very good. It teaches us how to deal with human, how we are as a species, and our emotions, and so we know how to deal and succeed in everything in life because you understand how human beings behave.
I see.
So it's very interesting. Those are the kind of things that I am fascinated for human mind.
But you still can't figure me out quite out yet,
no,
right?
Exactly.
You're still trying to figure me out.
Yeah. You are interesting human being.
Yeah, I'm a very interesting species.
Species, yeah.
Yeah, very interesting. So are we finished?
So now I'm gonna take this off. I don't know. I guess it does not come.
Can you take that off?
I'm going to need this.
Yeah, where's your little
different.
smiley thing?
Okay, here we go. So now we're gonna try to see if we need more flour or if that's good. I think it's good now.
You think it's good?
Yeah.
Very interesting cookies. You know, there's a couple. I sent you a picture earlier of an older gentleman who was giving me a ride home from the airport.
Oh yeah.
Him and his wife, they live right over here. So when we're done with the cookies, we'll take them some cookies.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right,
So
folks.
your friends?
So we're going to be back. Now you're just going to put these on the cookie sheet and then bake them at 350, right?
Yeah. Now before, let me tell you how we do the cookie. It's not like it's a small ball that we make, like something like that.
Let's see.
Something like that. And then that's the trick. And then you take a fork, like for example, you put it right here, a small ball, and then you do this.
And that's it?
That's it.
That's not a very big cookie.
That's why you put the whole thing in your mouth.
But
And then it dissolves.
yeah, but you know what? I mean,
It's like this.
Yeah,
Little
okay.
cookies.
but even I don't think Skip Smith would like these cookies.
Oh, he would love. There is
I
no.
don't think he would because they're not big enough. See, Skip
You can
Smith,
eat 10 of them or whatever.
he'd probably put 10 of them in his mouth at one time. Okay, so anyway, so you're going to do the...
Now I'm gonna make those little balls. It takes a lot of time. On the whole dough here, I need to make those little balls.
Now, I want you to be honest, okay? Are you a little bit worried now that the whole world knows your recipe?
No.
Everybody now knows your recipe.
That's okay.
2 sticks of butter, 400 milligrams of cornstarch,
Probably more, 500 milligrams.
500, 3 eggs,
Yeah.
only the yolk,
Yeah,
right?
and sugar.
And sugar.
Yeah.
And that's it. All right, folks, we'll be back to see how they come out. I'm very, very curious. All right, it is cookie time. And why'd you take off your apron?
Because I don't need anymore. See, when underneath is a little brown,
Let's see.
when it's good.
Let's see.
See, on the bottom, when it's a little
look
dark,
at
that's
that.
when it's good.
Wow.
So now we're gonna let it cool off, then you can try.
So you don't try it now, right out of the oven?
It's too hot.
Is it good with milk? Do you usually have it with milk?
People in Brazil usually would have more with coffee than with milk.
With coffee?
Yeah, we don't have like this American tradition like heavy things always with milk. We drink more with coffee.
With coffee. You like the coffee.
Yeah.
Okay.
So over there, people to eat this with coffee or just as a snack in the afternoon. That's it.
I see. Okay. When's the last time you made these cookies?
Oh gosh, a couple years ago.
A couple years ago. That's a long time.
Yeah, I know.
When's the last time you made cookies?
American cookies?
Any cookies?
I don't usually cook. I don't usually bake much.
You don't bake
because
much?
I try not to eat so much carbs.
I see.
Calories and stuff. So I don't usually make cake unless I have I like to entertain. I like to make parties at my house. So when I make
You like to make parties?
Yes, I have friends over.
Uh-huh.
Or sometimes I make family over. Then I cook. Then I bake and I make cakes and I make stuff. But otherwise,
Will you do me a favor, please?
yeah.
If you ever invite me to one of your parties, please don't invite Skip Smith. All right? Don't invite Skip Smith. You can invite Sue, okay? But we won't tell Skip Smith that you're having a party, okay?
Okay.
All right. So we'll try the cookies here in a moment. Okay, what are you smiling at? Huh? What are you smiling at? You think this is funny, don't you? This whole video thing. So now everybody knows your secret recipe
Yes.
for these cookies that I can't pronounce.
Yes.
What do you call them?
Sequilhos.
What?
Sequilhos.
Siquilus.
Yes.
Siquilus.
Yes.
So if what are you doing? You said the whole thing in your mouth.
Oh!
You said the whole thing in your
My
mouth.
mouth is small, so I need to cut in half.
You said you just make them tiny so the whole thing goes in your mouth. And
Yeah.
look at you.
Okay, now you put the whole
Huh?
thing in your mouth. Come on, try.
You're lucky that I've got a big mouth.
Yeah, try.
What do you mean, yeah? What do you mean, yeah? You're
Okay,
not
so let me
supposed
get
to.
another one then. Let me get another one.
Another one? I thought you said you're watching
Okay,
your.
I have a small
I
one.
thought you said you're watching your weight.
Yeah, okay.
Huh?
Okay, try it.
Okay, ready? Here we go. So, folks, here is the chiquilu or something like that.
You did
Okay.
good.
I did?
Yeah, you did good.
So, if I were in Brazil, Salvador, and I said,
Can I have?
chiquilu or something, they would know what the hell I want? No? All right.
No, there's no.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
Now we just need some coffee,
Yeah.
right? All right, folks, there you have it. In the kitchen. In the kitchen with Rosana. I'm not allowed to call you Rosana Anadana, am I?
No.
No, I can't call you that. Only.
People call me that all the time, though.
People call you Rosanna Anadana all the
Some
time.
people people that don't know me, like if I meet some old person, they say, "Oh, Rosana Dana."
Rosanna
But
Anadana.
I never really watched her or anything.
All right, folks, have a great day.